Well, what are we fixing today? Today we have another workshop project. This is another thing related to the ladder rope thing that I put up. I'll put a link to that, I think on this side, maybe there. Put a link up there for you in case you missed that one. So trying to clear up some space on the workshop floor. And the next thing that's in my way is some wood and lumber that needs to go somewhere. So let's find a place to put that. So we have a couple of these things. There's two of them. These are, I don't know what the rating is for weight. We're going to kind of fill this up with some wood, I think. Let's see. Let's see if I can get this stable enough for you. That's what they are. You can look them up online. I didn't buy them. Somebody else bought them, and they're down here, and nobody put them up. So there's a lot of stuff like that going on here. So we're going to put them up. And where I've decided to put them up is on the ceiling, but being the cottage as it is, we don't have a lot of, like, at home I got tons of bolts and nuts and scrap hardware and basement and garage full of stuff that I can use, but here I don't have so much. So we're gonna, these are for holding up a TV antenna on a mast. There should be enough weight, big enough, two of these to hold that. We're going to use this. I'm going to use this hardware. And probably some of these pieces of wood. Let's go. I'll show you how. Okay. As you can see, these are some of the tie downs or spring shackles or whatever it was when this building was moved in. They're welded onto the frame there. So you got a big ass weld. Won't have any problem holding what I'm going to hold. I'm going to take this, and this has to be on here so it doesn't pull through there. So put this here, put this here, put this here, and then bolt it. I got washers that are big enough to hold this. After that, I got to figure out how to take up that space. And that's what the wood's going to be for. But let's start there. Washer. I have these lock washers, and since the hole in the big washer is a little big, we're going to go with that next. And we're going to put on the nuts. Like so. Big washer. Little washer. And the nut. So you use what you have in your parts box. This is why at home I love having junk, because I can always take something apart and use it for what I need it to actually for. This was probably from an antenna that was taken off of the house or something. So it is also junk that came off and is not going to be used for what it was anymore. So, okay, but the problem is that there isn't anybody living here 24/7, and there isn't me living here 24/7 or my dad anymore, so the junk doesn't accumulate. It's, we're up here a month a year if you add it all up. And a lot of times you're not actually working on stuff, you're just here enjoying stuff. So that looks good. That is not going to pull out of there. The next thing is we got to take up some of this room so it doesn't do the dance, right? So let's go figure that out. Now my thought for that is I got some of these, and these are kind of crooked. They were also waste from something. So I'm thinking I can jam this baby in here. Mark this. So we can cut it off. So here's the table saw. This is yeah, it's one of those kind of table saws. Here's my 2 marks. We're gonna turn it on and cut it. That's the right size. Now I gotta find a couple little screws. There we go. Don't need much, just to keep it from rattling out. That should work. All right, there we go. We got the piece of wood. I want the flatter side towards that, like so. Now I'm going to have a screw in my mouth, so I'm not going to be able to talk as well. And based on comments, I can't talk well anyway, so, you know, maybe you won't notice the difference. All right. We don't need these plastics on here. And that's good. Okay, I'm going to put up the other one, and then you can watch me again when we start putting some stuff up there. Here's the board. Perfect. I've got a couple up here that are like good bases, and then I can put some shorter ones on there. See if this will reach. Nope. Here's a 2x4. This will work. I can put 2 2x4s there. And I can. All right. Now it's just a matter of finding the longest ones, putting them up first, and go shorter on top. But you get the idea. That will free up some of this lumber pile here. I don't think those big ones are going to fit. So they'll have to be somewhere else, but a lot of that can go. Well, that's my video for today. Right up there. Thanks for watching. Hope it's helped you. Give you some ideas on how to clean up your garage a little bit and do some storage solutions. I'll find some links for those things that are like that. They are on eBay all over the place. There won't be these specific Stanley ones, I don't think, but it doesn't matter. They're all kind of the same. So thanks for watching. Give me a like if I helped you out. And give me a dislike if I didn't, but tell me why so I can fix it. Subscribers down there, push the button, subscribe for me. That'd be awesome as heck. Send a note to your friends, enemies, acquaintances, and people you don't know that you should subscribe to What Are You Fixing Today? What are we fixing today? What's fixing today? I don't know. I'll get that fixed. Thanks for watching. So long.